Hey guys, this video is going to be about the trip we took in the John boat from Sunset Harbor in North Carolina up the intracoastal to Barefoot Landing, which is in North Myrtle Beach. It was about a 35-mile trip, Labor Day weekend, lots of boats, lots of wake. So anyway, here you go. Oh, sorry, Kevin just told me it's down the intracoastal, not up, because we went from North to South Carolina. Anyway.
Watch out.
Big boat wake. Oh. This is a no wake zone, and it's wakey here. Doesn't look as big on the camera. This is a pretty big wake. open. Not that it matters for us, but the bridge is open. Alright, we're here at Barefoot Landing. Let's see what stores are close. I don't think we're going to walk too far because it is miserably hot. Oh man, now I got to touch this thing that everybody else has touched. Right, I'm going to go this way. Ooh, we should go see if they have skee ball in there. Did not find what we were looking for. That was a failed mission. And it's hot. We're gonna have to come back and walk more when it's not so hot. It's gonna be like this headed back. There's gonna be more boat traffic. We still have a ways to go too. Thanks everybody for watching. We really appreciate it and we hope you enjoyed it, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.